I wish I had a car. I wish I had had a car. They are both correct, but they have different meanings. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe first and let's get this video started. I wish I had a car. This sentence is about the present. I don't have a car now, but I would like to have one. So it's a wish or a regret about something that I don't have. The sentence is about the present, but I wish is followed by a verb in the past tense. So had is the past tense of to have. So I wish I had a car now. I wish I had had a car. So this sentence is about the past. So last year, when I lived in the countryside, I didn't have a car, but I wanted to have one in the past. So this sentence is about a wish or a regret about something in the past. And when we talk about the past with I wish, we need the past perfect. So had, had. The first had is the auxiliary verb that we use in the past perfect, and the second had is the past participle, so the third form of the verb to have. Here's another example. I wish I lived in a flat, not a house. I wish I had lived in a flat, not a house. So the first one is about the present. So I don't live in a flat now, but I would like to. So it's a wish or a regret about something that is currently happening. I wish I had lived in a flat is a wish or a regret about the past. So when I lived in Manchester, I wish I had lived in a flat, not a house. So I didn't live in a flat, and it was a wish or a regret that I had. I wanted to live in a flat, not a house. If only is very, very similar. If only I lived in a flat, if only I had lived in a flat, it's a wish or a regret about something, and the first one is about the present. So if only goes with the past tense. The second one is a regret about the past. If only I had lived. So here, if only goes with the past perfect. So what is the difference between I wish and if only? And there is a tiny little difference. If only is a stronger regret. It's more emotionally charged. So when I say if only, it is quite a strong regret, not just a wish. Okay, let's do a practice exercise. If only I knew, know, or had known the answer, but I don't know it. Which answer is correct? So this sentence is about the present, because the second part of the example is I don't know it, which is in the present tense. So we need if only with the past tense. If only I knew the answer. It means I don't know it now, but I would like to. If only I knew, know, or had known the answer, but I didn't know it. What's the correct answer? So here, the sentence is about the past, because the second part has the past simple. I didn't know it. So the first part needs the past perfect. If only I had known the answer, but I didn't. It's a regret about the past. I wish I can, had, could, or could speak Japanese. Unfortunately, I don't speak it. So this sentence is about the present. I don't speak Japanese. So it's about a wish about the present. I wish I could speak Japanese. Could is the past tense of can. I wish you told or had told me it was your birthday yesterday. I would have got you a card. So this sentence is about the past. It's about a regret in the past. You didn't tell me it was your birthday, but I wanted you to. So I wish here goes with the past perfect. I wish you had told me. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.